Well, here's my little update on my Jungle Bush chicks. That's the 4 dark ones with the little light stripes on their face, and they're in there with their little teacher chicks, the button quail, little yellow ones. About 3 days old now, and doing pretty well. Plenty lively. Looks like they've been eating. I know the little button quail sure have, so I assume that the Jungle Bush been in there with them eating. They taught them well, looks like, so drinking too. I like it. I figured I'd come out here tonight and take a quick video, a little update. A little water while I'm at it.